Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video I tell you about the important Java codes that you will need for a question on 2D arrays for ISC 2024 Computer Science Board's practical paper. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers only 1 or 2 are subscribed and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. Okay. So I have compiled a list of basic important codes that you will need if you pick up question 2 of ISC Computer Science Practical Boards paper. Okay. The question which is on 2D arrays. Okay. So the basic things like you should be able to read a 2D matrix. Okay. So I have written a function to read a 2D matrix, which is basically a 2D matrix, 2D array of integers. We should also be able to read a 2D array of characters. Okay. So the input method differs a little when you are reading characters, right? There hasn't been a case till now where they have given a 2D array or a matrix input of strings. That could be possible too, but in that case all you have to do is read scanner.next for m into n times instead of scanner.nextInt. Okay, so there is a function to read a 2D array of characters, a function to read a 2D array of integers, a function to print a diagonal element. So we have the left diagonal and the right diagonal. Sometimes the question is about adding the elements of the left diagonal and printing the sum, adding the elements of the right diagonal and printing the sum. In this case I've just printed the elements of left and right diagonals. If you want to find the sum, take a counter and keep adding these values to the sum. Okay, then there's another function to add two matrices. Two matrices have to be of the same size if you want to find the sum of those two. Okay, then there is a function to find the transpose of the matrix. Okay, so the method to find the transpose of a character 2D array will be the same as the method to find the transpose of a integer 2D array. Okay, so I've taken this method with integer. You can just replace int with char and you should be able to find transpose of a char matrix. Okay, then there is a function to find the sum of boundary elements. Again, same goes if this was a char matrix. Okay, and when they say find the sum of boundary elements of char matrix, they are basically asking you to add the ASCII values of the characters. Okay, similarly the sum of corner elements. Okay, then there is a method I have created to create a mirror matrix of the given matrix. Again, this function will work the same if there was a character matrix instead of an integer matrix. Okay, then the very basic method to print the matrix, I have written one with character array and written one with integer array. Okay, so you can print column wise as well. Okay, but this will really not be needed because when you're printing the matrix is usually gonna be row wise. Okay, the idea to provide you a code for printing the matrix column wise is how to iterate elements column wise. Okay, sometimes they want you to traverse the column and do some calculation, find something. In that case, the j loop comes outside and the I loop goes inside. Okay, right, so I'm gonna quickly run this code. Okay, so what I'm doing is reading a matrix A, okay, of type integer. So I'll enter the size 3 and 3. Okay, I'll enter elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it will find the transpose, prints the original, prints the transpose matrix, and then find the sum of original and transpose. Okay, original matrix, transpose matrix, sum of original and transpose. Okay, then I have input a character matrix which is here. Okay, so size is going to be 3 into 3 again, A B C D E F G H I. Okay, so character matrix is this. Left diagonal elements are A E I along the left diagonal, right diagonal elements are C E G along the right diagonal. Okay, so if you understand these codes and how they work, you should highly likely be able to solve the problem that I present you for the question 2 of ISC Computer Science Practical. Okay, so make sure you practice this, and obviously this is not an exhaustive list, this is not an entire complete list, but this is something that covers all the basics that you would need. Okay, so I will add the link for this code in the description of the video. Make sure that you check this out. Okay, also important codes for question 1 and question 3 are also uploaded on the channel, so you can find the links of those videos in the description of this video as well. Okay, so let me know your thoughts about this video, and you can always let me know in the comments if there's a question you want me to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. Thank you.